Once we finish our intro, we're ready for verse 1. So we'll go ahead and show you, and then we'll break things down. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great. Kicking off this verse pattern, we start with a rotating basic. So leader on the left, follower on the right, we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Once we get all the way around, again, that's another 360. We want to do a half basic to inside turn. So we do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And again, for my follower, that's a counterclockwise turn over your left shoulder. Once we get back from that, instead of getting back into a dance frame, we're getting into a 2-hand hold just like this, because we're going to start our swivels. So once we get back from here, follower, make sure that your right foot is free. So you just tapped with this foot, so your right foot should be free. Leader, you also want your right foot to be free. So make sure that when you get back from that, instead of tapping, you shift all of your weight to your left foot. So that way we're going the same direction for these swivels. So for both leader and follower, we're taking a step towards our partner's right arm with our right foot, and then we are shifting to the left, just like this. So over our right shoulder, we're shifting to our partner's left side. We do this 4 times, starting from right to left. Then we take a step with our left foot and shift back over to the right. We do this again, right, shift back over left, and then one more left to right, just like that. Something that you'll notice is we're both staying on our toes. So what we want to do is make sure that it's easy for us to swivel our hips just like this, because that's what's going to keep us on time. So make sure you're on your toes, make sure your knees are nice and relaxed. Something to keep in mind as well, we want to keep our arms pretty stiff and we want to keep them nice and low. So if you feel like you're raising to about shoulder level, that's too high. You want to keep them down by your waist, because it's a lot easier to shift if you're leading from a little bit of a lower place. We both want to engage our core, and we want to make sure that we're keeping our upper bodies nice and stiff.